memorable day today that crossing 2000 kilometer from India, we reached Nepal just for one reason, to unite together for humanity. We India and you Nepal, definitely we youth who has only one intention to make some change. So we from India, Amuker Charitable Trust and Youth of Today Welfare Foundation came here, and it was really a great experience for us to share our idea, what we are working in India and what difficulties we are facing, and definitely we also came to know how you all manage and how all you all tackle and what are your future planning. Okay, so definitely in coming days, we youth from Youth of Today Welfare Foundation and Amuker Charitable Trust will come together, we unite together, because you all also having that only aim what we are having in India. Okay, so as I always say, we are separated only by the border, but our aim, our thinking is all same. Okay, so hoping that this will be not the end, and I hope this is the starting of a good relation of India and Nepal youth. Right or wrong?
Right.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Are you ready to work with India?
Yes.
Youth? Yes?
Yes.
We are also so excited. We are also so happy. We will be honored to work with you also in Nepal. And we youth, I always say, we are from the country, we are from the land which is of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, who is a management guru. We are from the land of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, who has taught us equality. We are from the land where APJ Abdul Kalam, who has supported youth. So we are from that land, and definitely we have inspired from there, and what principle they used to develop the country, to develop the nation, that only we youth will use, and we will use in an international level. Okay, so living all that that you're from Nepal or India, we will live that. We will come for one earth, we will come for one planet, that is our earth. We will work for one aim, that is humanity, and we will definitely make our earth, which is our motherland, a good place, a peace place to live. Okay, so hoping, again I'm saying, this is not the end. This is a starting of a very good relationship with you and us. Okay, so I thank Help for Happiness Foundation and all the volunteers who came here and who respected us. As I told yesterday also, I was not thinking that I am from other country, because you always so frank, so friendly, that literally we are so excited to work with you. When 25th I will go in my place India, at that day only I will arrange a meeting, and definitely will come out some positive result what we discussed here. Okay, so all are encouraged.
Yes.
Okay, now this next time it will your turn to come for India. Okay, so I'm hoping to maximum all of you join there. Okay, so thank you once again for your very good management. You guys all are doing a very great job. Definitely you are the future of this nation, and you will make some change. Okay, so be confident, be faithful, be with your people. Definitely you can eradicate an education, even you can spend all the necessary thing with this country want from you. Okay, so hoping we can meet soon again with a good plan, with a good initiative, with a good project. Okay, so thank you Nabin Tiwari, GS, Gaurav, Yamuna, Angel, all the volunteers who have coordinated with us, and also from India also, lots of thanks to you from our coordinators, Komal, Priyanka, Aditya, Himanshu. They all are working there for just one reason, for our Youth of Today Welfare Foundation, Amuker Charitable Trust. Okay, so thank you once again. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra, Jai Nepal.
Jai Nepal, Jai Nepal, Jai Nepal.
Thank you much. So, from